everyone, I just want to take you through the project for our Crafting After Dark retreat, which takes place in Warwickshire on the weekend of Halloween 2020. We'll be getting together from Friday the 30th and staying together until Sunday the 1st of November, which means that we'll be together on Halloween night, and we will be having a quite spectacular three-course meal in the most amazing venue where we're staying. We have all sorts of things on offer. We have some special classes with a wonderful lady called Jewel, who is a real life witch, and also some charm classes with the wonderful Mel Pickering from Saffy Mel. But my offering is this book. Now, you may well recognise that a lot of the items that we're going to be using are Tim Holtz, because who does Halloween better than Tim Holtz? And the first thing that we're going to do is actually decorate up a box to keep our mini book in. So here you can see I've got some of the Halloween chips. I've got those now, and I've got the papers, which are the Tim Holtz Abandoned, on pre-order. Now, a lot of the stuff that you're going to see in this book is what's going to be in your kit, but I can't guarantee that it's going to be exactly the same, because until we know what Mr. Holtz is bringing out for Halloween this year, I can't say for sure, but the book will remain the same in terms of design, and we'll work around that. It might well be that some of the items you might want to buy as an add-on. Say, for instance, I've used this really wonderful sticker book, which I'll just show you, which may not necessarily be part of the kit, but we'll just have to wait and see what comes out in the autumn time. So here's our book. The box actually is on little feet, which is kind of cute, and it has a magnetic clasp here. So if we open that up, here is our book. I'm just going to take this out now. Now, the box itself actually has a false floor at the moment. I can't tell you too much about that, except that other things will be stored in there, and what that's going to be is a surprise. So let me get that out of the way and let me show you the book. Now, it's an accordion book. Once again, as I said, it's all Tim Holtz items because they're just absolutely gorgeous. And the book itself can be used for photographs, or it might be that you want to use it for journaling or keeping, you know, bits of information in, whatever you like. Although it is very Halloween based, it's not cartoony Halloween. And I think if you're somebody who celebrates Samhain, this might be something that's right up your street. So, the front of the book, we've got photo mats and a belly band here with a little pocket, just with a few bits and pieces in. What's missing is the charm that's going down there. Mel will be doing a charm for the book, as usual, in one of the mini book retreats, but as yet we haven't got the pieces for that, although I know what she's getting, and it is going to be quite spectacular. So the book itself, as I said, is an accordion book. You can see here it doesn't exactly have a spine, so we're going to go through that page by page. So you open it up. Here I've done a photo mat that's a little bit different because it's on acetate, so it's kind of clear. And over this side, once again, just ordinary, you know, photo mats as you would expect to see in a mini book. So turn over to the next page, and what we've got here, you'll see that on all of the pages they actually do mirror each other. But here, what we've got is sort of like fold down flaps with room for photographs. We've got some more acetate there, so you can decorate that up as you will, and the same there as well. Lots and lots of space for photos, or it might be that you want to keep poems or spells, or I don't know, all sorts of things in there. And both sides, as I've said, are the same. This page is just a very simple little long pocket, once again with the photo mats just to pop in there. And then we have the back of the book. If we open it up again that way, we have this bit of the book, which opens up here. So you can add, you know, journaling spells. You could put some photo mats in there, whatever you like. But at the moment, these photo mats are actually there to hold that cover down there. The next page is more of a book sort of idea. So you could put photographs on here, whatever you fancied. If you wanted to write recipes, I don't know, whatever you fancy really. And then the last page in the book are these that fold up with just some photo mats inside there that are removable, obviously. So that's the book. If you want to know more about the retreat, there is information on my website at www.calsummers.co.uk/retreats, or just message me and I will let you know whatever you want to know. Thanks a lot, everybody. Bye.